Hello dear family and new viewers. Thank you for joining us today as we have quite an adventure of us. Today we will be traveling here, featuring me and my family.
Exploring a waterfall with many sharp edges and very, deep paths is kind of, terrifying at first, but when you really get out there, you kind of see the beauty of everything. And I hope you guys like the video and subscribe. So wish me luck and let's go. Hey everyone, it's a new day. This is day 2 of being at my home now. I'm finally back home. We're about to actually go to the waterfall. We're about to go to another waterfall, and if y'all haven't seen my other vlog where we have went to waterfall, it's right here on the screen. Go check that vlog out, like for real. I have on my, hiking gear today. I have the comb on the back side of my hair. I want the comb to show, so I may actually move the comb a bit more higher. But anyways, I'm about to put on my lip gloss and we're about to head out. Red lipstick on the bottom with my orange lip shade. Okay, and this is it.
Once upon a time, Leah and her family finally made it to the hiking trail. They stopped to use the restrooms and now are on the way to the trail. With that being said, let's tune into her discovery so far.
Okay y'all, so we made it out here. This was actually better than the first one we went to because they have all this parking area over here. It has like a little bridge, but we're trying to currently look for the waterfall because we have no idea where it's at. I look like one of those workout moms. Suspension bridge. Okay. So cool. It's a big step, y'all. I actually like this one more. Y'all, it is so beautiful out here. This one actually has a real trail to follow. And as you can see, there's more people here as well. But we're still walking. We don't know how far it is, but
bruh.
y'all, this is so amazing. Yeah, this is a different one. Okay, so on this part, we actually made it on top of the waterfall. This is where pretty much everyone else was at. They was just looking down the waterfall, and you know, I didn't go close to the waterfall because I was scared because I care about my life. But here's some videos and clips of what it looks like. All right, y'all. We're about to head back to the car. We got our pictures. We've seen the waterfall.
At least one.
All right, we're gonna go back up. Look how steep it is, y'all. All right. Oh, it's a shortcut. Oh, it looked like it. All right, so we're about to head back home. We drove like an hour and 15 minutes here. That was great. So I just left Panda Express. I got me the sesame chicken with chow mein. And y'all, let me tell you, this stuff is... Why is my camera doing that? This stuff is so good. Okay, let's light this candle. Ooh. Ooh. This is gonna smell so good. Ooh, so I'm gonna just let this sit and, you know, I'm thinking about watching a movie tonight, y'all. Oh my gosh, I don't know what movie to watch. Okay, so that's it over there. I'm still sleeping on the floor. Yeah, I think that's the end of this video, guys. Please be sure to leave me some suggestions of movies that y'all love to watch. Be looking out for the next video. I don't know what it's gonna be. Oh my gosh. Should I do a skincare routine or something? I don't know. I want to do something that's beauty at least, you know, to show y'all some good products that I use and hair products and all that stuff like that. So be sure you guys do leave a comment on this video and also leave a like as well if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for 51 subscribers. We're hoping to reach even higher than that. Subscriber count we're trying to get up to is at least 100 subscribers, guys. So please be sure to share this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and bye, guys.